Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is the Contemporary Resort. Yes, I am on site here at Walt Disney World. We are staying club level this time, as always, atrium club level, and we have a Bay Lake room view. It's 4821. I want to give you a tour. We have a beautiful view of the lake, and we're also going to be able to see the electric water pageant this evening. So just waiting on my daughter and my sister to arrive, and we're gonna go to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party tomorrow night, so stay tuned for that. And for now, let's go on in and tour 4821 Atrium Club room here at the Contemporary Resort. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. You can also find me on my website, melissavipmagic.com. It would be my pleasure to assist your family. Now let's go on in and tour this beautiful atrium club level room here at the Contemporary Resort. One of the things I love about the Contemporary is the new Incredibles theming. So there's Mr. Incredible, and you'll see that throughout as I show you this beautiful room. Check it out. So clean, so sleek. I just love the way Disney has reimagined the Contemporary Resort. And as you are used to, let's go on in and let's look at the room and then go back and look at it in detail after we scan it. Wow, this is great. This particular atrium club level room will sleep up to 5 guests. We've got 2 queen beds here, and then I'll show you just a minute how this bed folds out into a separate bed for the 5th sleeper. I've been booking Disney cruises and trips and Adventures by Disney here. It's been a great day while I'm waiting on the kiddos to arrive, and we've got plenty of space, plenty of storage. Here we have the mask, love the theming, and then we've got coffee maker here, and then we've got the bathroom. Okay, so let's go back in detail. We'll start here. So we've got, like I mentioned, 2 queen size bed. We have Frozone and we have Edna Mode theming here. I love that so much. And what I especially like, look at the carpet and my bags already underneath. So you can store your bags under the beds, which is super nice. All right, so we're in a deluxe Disney room. Deluxe resort hotel. The bed linens are awesome. Feathered down pillows. We're going to be so comfortable. And then here, check this out. Here's the lamp with the theming here. Love that. We have our phone. We have our regular plugs. We have our USB plugs, which is nice. And then we have our bed lamp lights here if you want to read. We also have a small desk drawer here, and love that theming, so cool. Take out trash, things to do, learn more math, buy more cookies, stop the underminer. So cute. The kids will love that as well. So fun. And then on this side we have Edna Mode, and then we have the same lights, the same fantastic magical bedding, and you can also see that there's room underneath there. So perfecto. I'll come back and show you the view, and I'll show you the veranda. Now let's look at the theming here. I see Dash on the drapes. Cool. And then here's some more theming here. I love that. And then we have a floor to ceiling lamp here. And then we have our recycle and our trash. And then we have, as I mentioned before, the desk. I've been booking Disney destinations for my guests while I'm here. And then this is the bed that's going to fold out. Check out the bolster pillow. It's so cute. I love the theming. Now let's open this up and show you what it looks like to sleep here. This fifth sleeper turns over and makes a beautiful fifth bed for a guest if needed. We have 3 girls here sleeping, and so everybody's going to get a bed. One here and then one on a queen. So the mattress is pretty comfy and your bed linens are up in the closet. So just let your housekeeper know that you would like this bed made out, and it's no problem at all. And your flat screen TV is here, Giles and Watts party. And then we also have a stool, if you will, here. So you can pull that out and enjoy that for if you need another place to sit or for the little ones. And then right over here, we've got our little kitchenette. So we have our coffee. It's a single serve Keurig. Now remember, we are in club level, so all you have to do is walk right down the hall, and there's a beautiful espresso machine that I'll show you later. This is the ice bucket, and then you also have your Joffrey's coffee, your decaf coffee, your English breakfast tea, and everything you're going to need if you decide to have your coffee and tea here, as even to-go cups. So Disney has thought of everything. Now here is your dorm size refrigerator. I love the way these are updated, and they have clear glass in the front. You can bring anything down from the club level lounge that you want, drinks, snacks, desserts, all of those can go there, and it's awesome. And what I love about club level, and I heard a guest today as I was having my snacks when I arrived, my glass of wine and my water, she said, do you know what? I've got 2 small children. I did not need to stop by the grocery store. I just came right in. I fed them whatever was in the club lounge. This is so convenient. I can walk right across the street to Magic Kingdom, and that's a huge, huge perk to the Contemporary. So if those appeal to you, email me and let's chat about it and see what we can do for your family to make your vacation magical. Now let's continue on here. So you have 3 closets. So this one has 1, 2, 3 shelves, 2 drawers. Down here, I've already got my shorts in here and PJs and things like that. We have a full-length mirror to help get ready, and makeup can be done here too. We have our safe, and you can set your safe with the code that you want, so it's specific to you. And then here we have these pretty red doors, and we've got Mrs. Incredible. Look, she's hanging her clothes here. I love it. So we have plenty of hangers. We have clip hangers, we have regular hangers, we have the fantastic club level concierge bathrobes, so 2 of those here, and we can request more if needed. You will also have these plush bath slippers. I absolutely stay in the slippers while I'm here. I love it. It's so comfortable. And then we have our 3 drawers down here, plenty of space. We've got our extra blanket and pillow set here for the 5th sleeper. And then we have our hair dryer here. And then we have a handheld steamer. This is huge. So if you're going out to dinner, you might be going up to California Grill, you might be going to Chef Mickey's. No worries, you can use that steamer for your finer linens. And if you want to take your clothes out for the valet service, all you do is fill out this form and put it in here and call down to the concierge, and we can get that accommodated for you. Now let's go and look into the bathroom. This is really a beautiful bathroom. So first thing I see, double sinks. That's huge, huge, huge perk. And we have more theming, Incredibles right there on the mirror. Love it. We've got a makeup mirror, lighted makeup mirror, which is great. I love these so much. And then we have our tissue here. We have our Disney bath products. So you're in club level, So the bath soap will be here, our shower cap, our mouthwash, our vanity set. What else do we have here? Shaving kit. No worries if you forgot anything at all, because it's all here. Body lotion, and these are usually your dental kits. That's it. Very good. And then we have some washcloths here, and we have more linens here. We have a trash can, and we have lovely, lovely, lovely bath mats. Those are great. Now here is our huge tub. So it is a bathtub / shower. It's larger than usual. And then here our doors slide closed for a shower. And then we have our rain shower here. And then you also have a handheld shower if you prefer. So that's great. And then here we have our Disney Resorts shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You are not going to lack anything here at the Contemporary Club level. Let me turn this light on. More theming, more adorable, incredible theming. Here's your potty area, and you've got more linens here. Plenty of space to hang whatever you need. Now let's go take a beautiful look at our Bay Lake view. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, one thing I'm looking forward to this evening will be to watch the electric water pageant this evening. It's been going on since 1971 when Walt first opened Walt Disney World. So this will be a delight to come and just watch it go across Bay Lake. Now this is Bay Lake Tower, and then there's a bridge here that comes across if you want to walk between the two. We've got pools. We have an adult quiet pool. We have a family pool. We have a splash zone. And this is our garden wing here. So we can book that as well. And then we have the Fort Wilderness location. Now, if you'll notice, our water taxis are going across, and those can take you wherever you need to go. So just a really nice location. Do you want to plus your vacation, as Walt would say? Right down here, we can do fireworks, pontoon boats for you. And you guys, all of these magical extras I know about because I'm a Disney travel professional. They're things that you would not know because they change all the time or they have different booking dates. Don't miss out. Contact Melissa VIP Magic. It's no additional cost to you to book your vacation through a travel planner like me than it is to book yourself online. I also price monitor, and I want you to get the best vacation, the most magical vacation, the most worry-free vacation with all the magical extras that you want for your family. And you can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. And like I mentioned before, I have a website. Check me out. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Now, have you already booked your Disney vacation before you heard about Melissa VIP Magic? No worries. If you booked within 30 days and you booked directly with Disney and you haven't made full payment, no worries. Email me and I will transfer it under my care, same exact price, and I may even be able to get you a discount that you didn't see before. So I look forward to serving your family. It would be my pleasure to assist you. See you real soon. We're going to the Halloween party.